In Lesson 82, we're looking at algebraic simplifications. We've been working with these already, and now they're getting just a little more complicated. In the first example, we're going to make just one fraction under this particular a. So the top stays the same, and so does the 1 at the side, plus the a on top here also stays the same. And over here we have a common denominator of x. So that 1 is over 1, and I would multiply x on top and bottom. So this will be x plus 1 over x, because now they would have the common denominator of x, and I could make that one fraction. Okay, then in the next step, I'm going to multiply this a by the reciprocal of x plus 1 over x. So this will be a over 1 plus, again I'm multiplying by x over x plus 1, so I won't have that there now. I'll have ax over x plus 1. Okay, now I want to make this denominator one fraction. So my common denominator is x plus 1. So that's a 1 over 1. And I would multiply top and bottom by x plus 1. Okay, so this will be a over the 1 times x plus 1 is just x plus 1. That'll be added to the ax, and they're both the same denominator, so I can write them as one fraction. Alright, now I can multiply the a on top by the reciprocal of this bottom fraction. So I'll be multiplying a, think about it being over 1, times x plus 1 over x plus 1 plus ax. Okay, so our final answer is going to be ax plus a, I just distributed the a across, over x plus 1 plus ax, and then we'll just leave it like that. Okay, example 2 is a very similar process. The first thing I want to do is make this one fraction under the c. So I'm going to leave the b the same, the a would be the same, and the c on top will be the same. Think about the x being over 1. The common denominator would be y, so I would multiply both of those by y. So this ends up being xy plus 1 over y. Then I would multiply the c by the reciprocal of that fraction, y over xy plus 1. And now the c would just be over 1 when you're multiplying. So the b stays the same, the a stays the same, and it'll be plus cy over xy plus 1. Alright, now we need this denominator to be one fraction. So our common denominator is xy plus 1. So the a is just over 1 right now, and I would multiply by xy plus 1 on top and bottom. So b stays the same. It's going to be over the a. I'm just going to go ahead and distribute across. So I'm going to have axy plus a plus cy all over xy plus 1. And then I'm going to be multiplying the b times the reciprocal of that. So it'll be times xy plus 1 over axy plus a plus cy. So right now the b is really just over 1. So it'll be b times xy plus 1, and you can distribute or you can leave it factored. Either way is fine. axy plus a plus cy. And this would be your answer. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in class or email me. Thank you.